Greetings! This video demonstrates how to identify applied research and scholarship of research activities in our courses using a course outline from BITM and how to record this information on the BITM research-related activities in our courses form. The purpose of the form is to identify the types of applied research and scholarship of research skills and knowledge taught in our courses. Let's look at a course outline for an example of where applied research skills or content knowledge might be taught. So this course outline, the course learning outcomes for this course outline include apply tools used to design and improve business process. So right here. Possibly then, in this course, the students learn about business intelligence tools and then use the tools to identify business problems in a simulated business and make recommendations on how to improve or solve the problem. Even if they only do a piece of this process in the course, I think this course likely includes some activities, lessons, or assessments that teach students some of the content knowledge or skills required to conduct applied research in their field. We'd like to capture this information on the form. So let's look at the form. When the course outline reviewer answers question 5 on the form, we'd like them to please provide a brief 5 or 6 word description of the activity or content or skill they teach that supports this learning outcome. For example, they might type business intelligence activity. Now let's look at the course outline for an example of where scholarship of research skills or content might be taught. In the sequence of instruction, in week 4, one of the intended learning objectives is explain the ethical issues in the use of information technology. In this course, faculty teach students about research ethics, knowledge that's required to successfully conduct research in an academic setting. We'd like to capture this information on the form. Let's take a look at the form. When the course outline reviewer completes question 6, we'd like them to provide a brief 5 or 6 word description of the activity, lesson, or assessment that they teach that supports this learning objective. For example, in this case, they might type research ethics case study. If you have additional questions or comments that you'd like to include to help us understand a bit more about research activities in your course, please enter them in the comments box. I hope this video helped you understand how to identify applied research and scholarship of research activities in a course outline and complete the form. Thanks.